Voicecaster challenging with 15 celebrities as well as 15 characters in 28 questions. One special question and one mystery character. Can you be the one to recognize these characters through these celebrities? Let's go and try it out. Round 1. Who does Timberlake do the voice?
Operation Family Harmony is on and poppin'.
Okay, what are you doing?
The first voice is belonging to Branch. Really easy first question, right?
To sing something we've only tried once and failed so miserably at that we broke up and never talked to each other again.
Round 2. Which character does Angelina Jolie remind you to?
Your dad, the goose.
The Tiger Girl, Tigress, is the character that we're looking for.
Why are you really out here? Your dad, the goose.
Round 3. Maze game. Poe is lost. Can you help him to get out of this maze and back with the 5? Yes, that's the right path. Poe is really appreciated. Round 4. Do you know who Camila Cabello do the voice?
Thought so many times about leaving, to look for.
It's our energetic girl, Viva. Do you like this character?
Woo! That's better. Now I finally have some energy. Did you?
Round 5. Cup game. Follow Poppy under these cups. Do you know where Poppy is? She is in this cup. Did you choose this cup? Round 6. Which character is Chris Pratt cast as?
Growing up, man, I spent hours of my life stomping.
It's the plumber guy, Mario. You're so good.
We fell down this pipe, and now he's lost, somewhere in the Darklands.
Then it's only a matter.
Round 7. Who does Jack Black cast as?
Can I jump in there? Cannonball!
It's the Dragon Warrior, Poe. Poe really matched with Jack Black because he is so funny.
Destructible chain hammer of Master Pangolin!
Whoopsies.
Round 8. Special question. What if Crimp didn't listen to Velvet and Veneer and save Floyd from them? What do you think the story would go like if this happened? Comment down below the story you think would happen in the comment section. Round 9. Famous Anna Kendrick. Who can this be?
This is your second chance to connect with your brothers. Do you know what I would give to have a sister? We'd be...
Fantastic! She plays the pop queen, Poppy.
Wow. Check out your old outfits. Puffy jackets? Hookah shell necklaces? Denim tuxedo?
Round 10. Count the character. I think you are clear about the rule. Let's start and focus. And in 3, 2, 1. The counting show begins. How many Mario did you count? The answer in this round is 13. Do you have the right number? I think you do. Round 11. Find the 3 characters' name. The 3 character's name are here, my loving friend. Round 12. How about Viola Davis?
I wanted to play a villain. I did. I mean, I could only play.
You know who she cast as? The upcoming Kung Fu Panda. She will play as the chameleon.
I'm the chameleon. I do nothing but change.
Round 13. Who was Eric Andre playing as?
That button right there. Oh yeah, that button right there.
Can't be tricky. It's John Dory.
Hey, Tiny, you see that button? Beautiful, shiny button. Press it. Oh, hecky, yeah!
Round 14. Find Mario in this picture. Time's out. Did you see him? Because he is right here. Round 15. Charlie Day. Who could this be?
That this morning, and I'd love to tell you all about it, but they are tops.
It's Luigi. You're so smart.
Do you think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with a hat with a letter?
Round 16. Spot the differences in these two pictures. Pretty easy, right? They're here. Round 17. Can you guess this character with the cast of Amy Schumer?
I just sit in my room, bawling. No,
It's Velvet, the villain in Trolls Band Together.
I know I probably don't say this enough, but good job.
Round 18. Match the color dot. There'll be some couples of matching color. Your mission is to match them before the timer runs out. Can you do it? Time's out. Did you match them?
Now I want to give a special gift to some special audience of IQ Quiz. Happy birthday to you, my loving friends. Choose your gift.
Round 19. Can you name the character that David Diggs cast?
Who's talking? Is that a sweater romper?
Yes, the heartthrob. Spruce is the one. You're so good.
Back, don't order the clams, don't ask why. Fricassee squid and one jellyfish slider.
Spruce, wait!
Huh?
Round 20. Who is next in the line with Kid Cudi?
It's that Funboy Clay is dead. Serious Boy Clay only does the well-oiled robot.
The fun boy with a sad book club, Clay.
It's just that Funboy Clay is dead. Serious Boy Clay only does the well-oiled robot.
Round 21. Who is sitting behind Princess Peach? It's Toad. You have a great memory. Round 22. Do you recognize Andrew Reynolds with which character?
Sister, and all my fame and money and all the things.
And it is belonging to Veneer.
Not my Ragins. We are frauds.
23. Find the odd branch. There's our odd branch. Round 24. Which of these voice casters give you the most impression? Who is your favorite in these three persons? Comment down to let me know in the comment section. Round 25. Troye Sivan. Who can this be?
This is a trap! Velvet and Veneer, they lured you here.
Really easy, right? It's the sensitive one. Floyd.
This is a trap. Velvet and Veneer, they lured you here. You gotta leave before they come back. Hurry!
Round 26. Let's find out the special character.
Well, originally I wanted to keep it closer to what it was in the video game, and then I realized that with the script...
Let's welcome the pretty princess, Princess Peach.
The superstar.
If you're going to use it, use it.
Round 27. Where is the right Floyd's earring? And the right answer is A. Do you want to have an earring like Floyd?
How many characters did you get it right in this video? If you have guessed all the characters correctly, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be honoring you in the next video. And what movie do you want IQ Quiz to do next? Please hit like and subscribe to follow for more interesting challenges.